Hi. Did you miss me? Abby Wade with Everyday Champagne. It's been a minute. My hair has changed. This is halfway between shaved and gonna let it figure itself out. I'm in a new home, a new kitchen. Still married. You love him, he's behind the camera. Yay! Thanks, babe. Love you. Still have 2 kids, not a third, because we got that taken care of. Got a middle schooler, I got a 3rd grader. Life is good, it's busy, it's weird. That's my dog. You're gonna hear a little All right, so here's the thing. My most popular YouTube video by like thousands and thousands of views was one that I did 5 years ago in my old kitchen. I had long hair then. About how I suggest that you cut the corn off of the cob. There's a lot of talk and a lot of tips being thrown out there about how you want to get these suckers off of this cob. The whole point being, let's try to contain all of these popping corn kernels from flying everywhere. Here, my suggestion is, if we're worried about them falling from up high, let's just lie it down. And then they don't have a long way to go because it's just down already. And you're just slicing. I don't know about you guys, but I didn't see any corn kernels fly anywhere or popping anywhere. And that's all it is. That's all I got. I hope you're well. I love you. Oh no. Another question for you. What are those 2, they look like walrus teeth coming out of the camera right now? What are those things?
Walrus teeth?
Yeah, there's 2 metal rods coming out underneath the camera.
That's so I can rack focus.
What does that mean?
Like if I wanted to do a cool shot.
Why are you not doing cool shots? Are you doing cool shots right now? Do I look awesome?
It's like Spider-Man.
Do I need to be concerned that there's something dangling from the tripod?
No.
Do you want to know what it is that you look like right now? Because you're like behind a halo donut. Can I take a picture of what you look like right now?
If you wanna.
Are you naked? Mm-hmm. Okay, stay on that side of the camera.
No, just...
What if I'm a real person height? Did I just mess up your framing?
Yeah, you did.
Jesus, I'm sorry.
Real person height.
Real person height. Got it.
Where is it? Ooh.
Your shiny donut is going to fall.
My shiny donut cannot fall.
You realize that our son is still naked behind you.
Don't care.
Who likes... This is... Why are you doing this to me? Oh, naked boy. Did you take your shower?
Yeah.
That was a really short shower. Did you wash everything?
Yeah.
Do I need to smell you? I'll get in there. Ribs, and that's really bright. I feel like you're doing a lot of harm to me.
Too bright?
A little bit. The donut light's great. Are you ready for some ribs?
Yeah.
Some corn of the cob?
Yep.
We're off the cob.
My corn's gonna be on the cob.
But now you know how to take it off the cob.